Do you ever feel like a plastic bag blowing in the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under, screams and no one seems to hear a thing? But don't you know, there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you, and you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show them what you're worth. Make them go, ah, 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 as you shoot across the sky. This is Brenda, wishing everybody a happy and safe fireworks night. Have a fabulous time. Ciao.